Discover the comfort of home in a power-packed student accommodation at Willow Creek in Houston for affordable, stylish, and ultimate convenience. Pick from spacious 1- and 2-bedroom apartments featuring large closets with space for all your belongings. For a breath of fresh air, just step onto the patio or balcony to fulfill your main character energy. Dive into the sparkling pool. Perfect to swim long laps, sweat it out at the fitness center, shoot some hoops, or challenge your friends to a game of volleyball to stay energized. There's also a sauna for post-workout relaxation and laundry facilities for a smooth laundry run. This property will make your balanced lifestyle within reach with proximity to popular colleges too. University of Houston and Texas Southern University are just minutes away by car, so reaching class on time is inevitable. Also, explore the city on the weekends by catching a bus at Office City Drive bus stop or Gulf Evergreen Drive bus stop. So, don't delay. Book your spot at Willow Creek Houston with amberstudent.com now.